Hey, what's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you few simple steps which you can do yourself in order to fix your no Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi not connecting or missing Wi-Fi problem on Windows 10. So let's jump into the video and start this. First thing you need to do is type run and then type CMD, and when you are on CMD page, type ping space 127.1.1.1. If you see these results reply from the server, that means your Wi-Fi is absolutely fine. Before proceeding further, you can make sure that you get one of these results. So now we're moving towards the next step, which is to open control panel using your search area. After that, you have to click on network and internet. Once you are within this box, you have to click on network options, then click on advanced, and once you are inside advanced tab, you can look at these options: restore advanced settings, and just underneath that we have reset button or option. This will basically delete personal settings, and it will reset all the Internet Explorer settings, including any web browser you are using, and it will apply default factory settings. That should fix your problem. If that doesn't, then go back to run and then type services.msc, and once you land on the services tab, you have to scroll down and look for the Wlan auto configuration. Once you are on this tab, highlight this one, make sure it's running, and the running one is on the third tab. You can check here, and if it's not running, you can click on restart. It will basically attempt to restart the wireless LAN configuration on your hardware. If that doesn't work, you can click on the properties, and you can do it from there as well. So both options are open. Hopefully this should sort your problem. If no, then we are moving towards the next step. Type here to search, click on settings, then after that click on network and Wi-Fi connections, and then change adapter settings or network settings. And if you see Wi-Fi which is there, you can simply try to connect it. If you can't, you have another option. Right click on this option and then click on disabled and try to enable it again. If the Wi-Fi is enabled, it will definitely work, but if you still get no connection problem, then you can move on towards the next step, which is to type on run and then type dev, which is device management mgmt.msc, and then click enter. So you will be in the device manager section. From here you have to look for the network adapters. So here we have the network adapter section. Option you can see on the list is the Wi-Fi adapter. Make sure that your Wi-Fi adapter is available. You can right click on that and try to update the driver, but since you are not connected with the internet, you might find it difficult. So you can click on update the driver, and it will basically try to locate the last driver which was updated when you were last connected with the internet or Wi-Fi. But if that's not possible, then click on update driver, browse my computer for available drivers, click next, and then click close. Also right click again, then browse my computer for drivers, then let me pick the list from available drivers. So here you will see a compatible hardware drivers which will be given in the list. So you can pick and choose one on the top, and it will automatically install the updated driver. After that, you can right click on the option again and click hardware change and restart your PC. This should be able to fix your problem. If still any issues, then go back to the network settings and click on network reset, and it will basically reset your network settings. If that doesn't work, then come back into the command prompt, run it as administrator, and once you run that, run this command. I'll add that command in the description below, so just copy paste, or you can type that netsh space. You follow this command, guys. It's very simple: netsh space winsock space reset, and then you will successfully reset the winsock catalog. After that, type this command netsh space int space ip, and you can look for the command in the description below. and then click enter. It will basically restart the computer after that, and you'll be able to fix your Wi-Fi. So guys, these were the key handy commands which you can apply yourself in order to fix your broken Wi-Fi. Hopefully that will bring your Wi-Fi back to life. And if this video helps you out in any way, please do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.